Lesson: Predictive Analytics using AI Models. Predictive analytics using AI models is an integral part of advanced data analysis, offering businesses and professionals the ability to forecast future outcomes by analyzing historical data. This lesson will delve into the core components of predictive analytics, emphasizing actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications. By integrating these elements, professionals can directly apply these concepts to address real-world challenges, enhancing their proficiency in this subject. At the heart of predictive analytics is the ability to transform raw data into meaningful predictions that can guide decision-making. AI models, such as machine learning algorithms, play a crucial role in this process, as they can identify patterns and relationships within data that are not readily apparent to human analysts. For example, a retail company can use AI models to predict customer purchasing behavior, allowing the company to tailor its marketing strategies accordingly. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also boosts sales and profitability. One of the most practical tools for predictive analytics is Python, a programming language that offers a robust ecosystem for data analysis. Libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn provide the necessary tools to pre-process data, build predictive models, and evaluate their performance. For instance, scikit-learn offers a wide range of machine learning algorithms, such as linear regression, decision trees, and support vector machines, which can be easily implemented with a few lines of code. This ease of use makes it an attractive option for professionals looking to quickly deploy predictive models. In the process of building a predictive model, the first step is data collection and pre-processing. Data must be cleaned and organized before it can be used to train a model. This involves handling missing values, encoding categorical variables, and normalizing numerical features. Once the data is prepared, it is split into training and testing sets to evaluate the model's performance. It is crucial to ensure that the data is representative of the real-world scenario to avoid biases that could skew predictions. Once the data is ready, selecting the appropriate model is the next step. The choice of model depends on the nature of the data and the specific problem being addressed. For example, linear regression is suitable for predicting continuous outcomes, while classification algorithms such as logistic regression or random forests are better suited for categorical outcomes. The model is then trained on the training dataset, adjusting its parameters to minimize the error in predictions. A practical example of predictive analytics in action is credit scoring in the financial industry. Banks and financial institutions use predictive models to assess the creditworthiness of applicants. By analyzing historical data such as payment history, credit utilization, and length of credit history, these models can predict the likelihood of a borrower defaulting on a loan. This enables lenders to make informed decisions, reduce risk, and optimize their lending strategies. Once a model has been trained, it is essential to evaluate its performance using the testing dataset. Common metrics for evaluating predictive models include accuracy, precision, recall, and the F1 score. These metrics provide insights into how well the model can generalize to new, unseen data. Cross-validation is another technique used to assess model performance, ensuring that the model is not overfitting or underfitting the data. Overfitting occurs when a model learns the training data too well, capturing noise instead of the underlying pattern, while underfitting happens when a model is too simple to capture the complexity of the data. An advanced framework for predictive analytics is TensorFlow, an open-source library developed by Google for deep learning applications. TensorFlow allows professionals to build complex neural networks capable of handling large datasets and performing sophisticated tasks such as image and speech recognition. By leveraging the power of GPUs, TensorFlow can train deep learning models much faster than traditional methods, making it an invaluable tool for predictive analytics. A case study that highlights the power of predictive analytics using AI models is Netflix's recommendation system. Netflix uses machine learning algorithms to predict what movies or TV shows a user is likely to enjoy based on their viewing history. This personalized approach has significantly increased user engagement and satisfaction, demonstrating the effectiveness of predictive analytics in enhancing customer experience. Another essential consideration in predictive analytics is the interpretability of the models. While complex models such as neural networks can provide highly accurate predictions, they often act as black boxes, making it challenging to understand how they arrive at a particular decision. Tools such as SHAP can be used to interpret model predictions, providing insights into which features are most influential in the decision-making process. This transparency is crucial for gaining trust from stakeholders and ensuring ethical use of AI models. Predictive analytics also faces real-world challenges, such as data privacy and security. As organizations collect and analyze vast amounts of data, it is essential to ensure compliance with data protection regulations, such as GDPR. Techniques such as data anonymization and differential privacy can be employed to protect sensitive information while still allowing for meaningful data analysis. In conclusion, predictive analytics using AI models is a powerful tool for extracting actionable insights from data. By leveraging practical tools such as Python and TensorFlow, professionals can build and deploy predictive models to address a wide range of challenges. The integration of interpretability methods ensures that these models remain transparent and trustworthy, while addressing data privacy concerns, safeguards sensitive information. As businesses continue to embrace data-driven decision-making, the ability to effectively apply predictive analytics will become an increasingly valuable skill.